Hello my YouTube family, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to speed up your internet in Windows 10 or 11 with one simple setting. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to go to your search option over here, and then you have to search for ncpa.cpl and you have to open this option. Once you open this option, it's going to bring you to this window, and here you have to click this Ethernet option and just right click and choose properties over here. And once you're on your properties, what you have to do is click configure over here, and it's going to open this new menu. In this menu you have to go to this advanced option, and then you have to scroll over here until you see this option of speed and duplex and choose this option. Now you can see that right next to it there is this value bar. You have to choose this option, and here you have to choose the option that best matches your internet speed. So that's the process you can follow to speed up your internet speed in Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.